So let me ask you something. Have you spent hours studying grammar, memorizing vocabulary, and even acing reading texts? But the moment that someone says, "Can you speak French?" or "Can you introduce yourself in French?" you just freeze and you don't know what to say, because I've felt that so many times. Speaking is one of the most difficult parts of language learning. It's like all the words that you know or that you've remembered suddenly just disappear and vanish away. For me, this has been such a struggle learning French. Living in Paris, I'm surrounded by opportunities to speak, but every time that I open my mouth, I get so nervous of making mistakes. And honestly, it's not just me. It's the same pain point for so many other people who are trying to learn a new language. But here's the thing. You can actually overcome this. Recently, I had a one-on-one lesson on italki with an amazing teacher to prepare for a French interview. If you don't know, then I'm looking for my end of studies internship because I'm almost done with my master's. So I had this interview session with this teacher, and let me tell you, it really boosted my confidence. So today I'm going to show you exactly how it went, what I learned, and how you can use italki to become confident yourself. So thank you so much italki for sponsoring this video. So first, let me tell you how I got started with italki. On italki, you can pick a teacher based on their experience, expertise, and availability. Since I wanted to focus on interview prep, I booked a session with Benjamin, who specializes in professional French. You can see their intro videos, their reviews, and even book trial sessions. So it's really easy to find someone that you're looking for. We started with a quick warm-up where my teacher asked me a few general questions, like where I'm from or what I do in my life.
Pouvez-vous vous présenter un petit peu, s'il vous plaît?
Oui, donc je suis Rhea, je viens d'Inde et je suis ici comme étudiante. J'utilise la finance d'entreprise.
Ouais.
Oui.
De quelle ville êtes-vous originaire en Inde?
Pune, c'est à côté de Mumbai.
Est-ce que vous y retournez régulièrement en vacances?
J'essaie d'y aller une fois par an. C'est soit moi j'y vais ou soit mes parents viennent ici pour me voir.
Et au niveau de votre intégration en général, mis à part la langue, est-ce qu'il y a eu d'autres difficultés?
Je dirais les chocs culturels, c'était un peu difficile. Et aussi de vivre sauf ma famille, c'était aussi difficile parce que c'était ma première fois.
Ici, sans ma famille, d'accord? De vivre sans ma famille.
Ok.
Et avez-vous appris la langue française avant de venir en France, ou comment ça s'est passé pour vous, votre expérience d'intégration?
Donc la première fois quand je suis venue ici, j'ai pas parlé français du tout. C'était vraiment zéro. Et après, j'ai appris le français ici. J'ai enrolled, c'est...
Je me suis... Est-ce que c'était un cours ou c'était un quoi, juste pour savoir?
Oui, un cours.
Vous pouvez dire, je vous l'écris dans le message,
okay.
D'accord. Je me suis inscrite.
Ok. Oui, je me suis inscrite dans le cours de mairie. Then we started the interview prep.
Voilà. J'essaie de chercher des questions plus précises par rapport à votre métier. Si je vous demande, pouvez-vous expliquer ce qu'est un bilan financier et en quoi est-il important pour une entreprise? Pouvez-vous essayer de m'expliquer cela?
Benjamin played the role of an interviewer, and he asked me questions such as introduce yourself or why do you want this position? What I loved about Benjamin's teaching style was that he corrected me there and then, or if I was struggling to find a word in French, he would first encourage me to think about it, and then he would correct me in real time, and that did not feel discouraging at all.
Si vous pouvez utiliser ici on va dire c'est amélioré, d'accord? C'est un verbe transitif.
Ok.
Mon français s'est amélioré.
Okay, he even said that my French was really good, so that really boosted my confidence, because if I don't practice my French in daily life, I always have the feeling that my French is not improving, or that I'm still making a lot of mistakes in French. And I still don't have the French accent when I speak in French, so it was also very reassuring for me to know this from a French speaker, that my French is still good even if I don't have the right accent yet. Analyse financière et management de risque.
Ouais. Alors, le management, est-ce que la gestion de risque. Okay. Du coup, ouais, c'est ça. Vous pouvez dire tout simplement j'ai effectué une vérification des factures, etc. pour vérifier que ça suit bien les standards. Dans le futur, comment priorisez-vous vos tâches si vous êtes confronté à plusieurs projets financiers en même temps? Comment est-ce que vous mettez des priorités?
Je dirais sur urgence. S'il y a un projet un peu plus urgent que l'autre, je vais prioriser mon temps sur ce projet-là.
Ouais. Est-ce qu'il y a d'autres raisons qui pourraient vous faire prioriser un projet plus qu'un autre?
Et si ça prend plus de valeur, par exemple si le client est un peu plus important que l'autre, je vais aussi prioriser cette tâche.
Alors, est-ce que vous connaissez le mot un pari? Est-ce que vous connaissez un pari?
Pari, c'est la distribution?
Non, le pari, c'est un bet. Alors, en France, on dit que par exemple, quand on fait certaines banques, osent parier sur une start-up. D'accord? Donc, c'est un investissement, ce n'est pas sûr, c'est un pari. Est-ce que dans votre imaginaire, est-ce que dans vos projets, vous auriez pour but peut-être d'aller à Londres ou à New York pour continuer votre carrière?
Oui, j'aimerais bien aller à Londres, mais je sais que c'est vraiment difficile pour des étudiants étrangers à trouver un travail là-bas pour les raisons de visa. Visas?
Ouais, pour les visas,
Pour
l'obtention. Alors, si vous pouvez dire l'obtention d'un visa.
By the end of the session, I honestly felt so much more prepared for my interview. He asked me what I'm struggling with the most, so I said really remembering if an object is masculine or feminine, and he gave me some really clear actionable steps in order for me to help overcome this challenge. He even helped me brainstorm a few sentences that I could use during the actual interview. And it wasn't just about correcting my mistakes, but it was actually about building confidence, and I really felt like it was something that I really needed in order for me to prepare for the interview. Now let me tell you why I also think that italki is such an amazing platform. Firstly, it's completely personalized, so it's not some generic course that you see online. Every lesson is tailored for you and what you need help with. So it could be your oral pronunciations, grammar, conversations, or something really specific like interview prep. The teachers on italki are also really great because my teacher, for example, Benjamin, he really prepared our session in advance by listing a few of the questions that I would need during my interview. Secondly, there is so much variety. There are thousands of teachers for over 150 languages, so I'm sure that you would find someone who matches your style and your needs. And the best part is that it's comparatively really affordable. You pay per lesson, so there's no subscription fee, and you can book as many lessons as you want. So for example, if you're preparing for an interview, then maybe you can book 5 sessions of 30 to 45 minutes each. And I think after these 5 sessions, I'm sure you would be very confident with your level of French and that you would be basically ready for your interview in French. So this payment part is very affordable for students like me. If you've been struggling with speaking a language, or if you just want to improve your language skills, then I'll highly recommend that you try italki. You can click the link in the description box below, and if you buy lessons worth $10, you would get $5 if you use this code here. And this discount is only available for the first 50 users. So if speaking has been your biggest challenge in language learning, then don't give up. For me, it took a really long time to be comfortable speaking French with others because I never actually practiced speaking in French with anyone. So platforms like italki make it so much easier for you to practice your learning in a way that it's educational for you and that you also have fun. Thank you again, italki, for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.